Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Happy crocheting. So today I want to show you how I crochet the two color beanie. So to start off, we have to have two color wool. So with my project I'll be using black and cream, and then for your hook it's 5,00 millimeter, and then it's a marker, the slippers, and then the weaving needle for the end. So I'll start by using the black color, and then following will be the beige or cream wool. So this is a adult hair or beanie. So to make the adult beanie, you have to start by chaining 47. If you are using one color, it will be like 47 all the way. But since today we'll be using two colors, then I had to divide the chains into two, but now not 50-50, but I made the black one to be much longer because it will be my main color, and then the cream will be the highlight one. So for black I'll chain 28, and then for cream I'll chain 19. The total will be 47. So to add the cream wool to the chain, I put the cream wool on my left hand, then the hand that I was using, that I rolled the black wool on. Now I'm swapping the wools, and then I put the cream wool into the hand, as you can see, and then I remove the black. I don't cut the black because I'll still use it for the second row. I pull it back so that I can secure it, and then I continue with my chaining, and then now I'm chaining 19 for the cream wool. So as you can see, it must look something like this. So the wool are not fastened, but they are there hanging. You'll see how I secure them as I go to the second stitch. And now I turn to the second row. I skip one stitch, and then I do my half double crochet. I insert in the second chain. To do the half double crochet, you can see the stitch that the pattern or the stitch on how to do the stitch in the video that I made at the beginning when I started with the channel. I did the headband. So I continue with my half double crochet on the cream color. So you do the same even in the black. You insert at the back of the stitch to achieve the look of the stitch, but if you insert in the front or in the whole stitch, you won't get the look of the stitch. So now I'm arriving at the middle of the stitch where I have to join the colors. I was working with the cream, you remember. I insert the hook, or I weave the with the crochet, and then I insert the hook, and then now we are about to arrive at the middle of the stitch, or where we have to change the colors. So what you do with the cream color, then you have 2 in the hook, you'll weave there, and then drop it. Then you take the black one, you hook the black one, and then you insert it. Then that's how you change the color. Now you have the black. You'll be working with the black until you turn your head again, and then you arrive in the middle where you have to change the colors, and you repeat the same order. Okay, now we are in our following row, or the next row, and we are about to get to the middle of the head, or where we have to change now back to the cream color, since we are working with the black right now. So let us remind each other how to change the colors again. So as we are arriving at the middle of the stitch, since we are doing our half double crochet, what we have to do first, we have to yarn over and insert the hook, and then we are no longer taking in the black, but we drop it down, and then we must insert the cream whites or the beige. Okay, let's do it again. To start, we have to yarn over the black, insert the hook, and then we drop the black, we insert the cream white color. Then we have 3 in the hook, and then we take everything out. Now in your hook you can see your main color is the beige color or the cream color. Then you continue doing that in the following stitch. You yarn over and you insert the hook, yarn over again and pull it out. Remember that as you are doing this, you are inserting the hook at the back part of your chain or your stitch. So you continue like that until you get to the end of the row, and then you turn your work and you continue with your beige color until the end. So since we are doing the adult head, as you can see, then I'm done. I have 50 rows. If you feel like you want to add another row, it's up to you, depending on the head of the person you're making for and their hair, if they have lots of hair, so your head will be a bit bigger. So to join my head now, I'll be using my tapestry needle, and I'll have to cut away the wool that was the remaining wool that was left, and then I have to weave it away. But I'll firstly I prefer to secure it by tying a knot, and then I weave in and make sure my head is nice and neat. Please continue watching, and maybe if you're also doing the same head, you can do it along with me. And please continue showing your support, and thank you very much for the support you've been showing me and the channel Crochet-With-Sma. Please continue doing that and share the videos with others and comment. Don't forget to tap your subscription button, also the notification button. Thank you. See you in the next one.